Hey guys, good morning. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. I've got a pair of 2018 Kenworth T800 factory built triaxle heavy hauls. They're glider kits with C15 cats, 18 speeds. Both of these are identical, 20 fronts, 20 drop, 46 rears, double frame, full lockers, wet kit. If you need a heavy haul low boy truck, this is it. Got a pair of them, one with 280 on the miles, one with 320. Gonna do a full walk around. I've gotten them hot, so let's take a look. This is the one with 290 on the miles. Dual steering gearboxes. These are C15 dual turbos. This is the one with 323. Both set up with the wet kits, headache rack, light bars, clean Southern trucks as well, so there's no rust. Plus side ends, they've got the steerable drops too. The heavy duty New Way air ride. Have fennel hitches on the back as well. Low side oil pressure is good. Interiors are clean. Same identical setup on this one, just a little less miles. Hoods down, what they look like. This has had an updated seat as well. Good miles to hours as well. 290 and 11,000 hours is really good. You see your low side oil pressure. Super responsive. Oil pressure jumps up like it should. Guys, I appreciate you watching. If you need a heavy haul or a pair of them, these glider kits are hard to find, factory built. Give me a shout, 901-896-4526, and also email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.